Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pretty much add animation and video transition to your stickers on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select two of these, like orange. Actually they don't look the same style, so I'm going to select something else. Let's try gaming. Okay, there's nothing that I can use there, so let's use something else. Maybe this fall one. I'm going to select this and that, or the other one actually. To add an animation, you can either go to animation here and select like an in and out animation. There's also like a loop one as well. You can adjust the speed here. And you can also right click, create compound clip on these stickers to add in a video transition. So I'm just going to add in a background real quick here. So once you've created the stickers as a compound clip, you can add animations from the video section. And you can also add in video transitions here. So if you go to transitions, you can add in like maybe this mix one to your videos. Let's just turn off the animation for a bit so you can see like that. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!